So in this question, they're asking us to get the three sides from the user and check if these sides form a triangle. The logic here we have to use is the sum of any two sides of the triangle should always be greater than the third. So only then it can be said as it is a triangle. So let us now write the program. So let's say a equal to int input enter the side of the triangle. Now we are going to repeat this statement for two more times. Say B and C. Now we are going to use the if statement to check the condition. If A is less than B plus C, so we are checking if the sum of two sides is greater than the third side, and B less than A plus C and C less than A plus B is to then print yes a triangle is formed, else print triangle is not possible, is not possible. Now let us see how this works. Let me enter the side as 3, 4 and 5. Yes, a triangle can be formed. Now let me enter another set of values which is 8, 1 and 2. It says triangle is not possible.